day one. We've arrived at the start of the Ha Giang loop and we're at Mama's homestay. We just got our fresh merch, go on the lads, and then I presume we're gonna hop on the bikes, select our drivers, or maybe they pick us. I don't know how it works.
We're just starting now. We have our drivers, have our helmets.
I don't know, hopefully it doesn't rain too much, but the weather doesn't look great, so we'll see what happens. So we've been travelling along the loop, and about every half an hour or so they stop at like a little shop or like a local place where you give some money to the locals, which is nice. But we just stopped for food there and we've stopped again now somewhere else. We're now walking up to some sort of a viewpoint which looks very cool, so we might get some drone shots up here. Started to rain here on the Ha Giang loop, so ponchos are on. Very, very heavy night last night. A lot of karaoke was sang. And we're going for breakfast now, and then we're gonna get back on the road again for day 2. So there you go. This is a rest stop anyway. We found some hammocks. So me and Louise are chilling now. And if you look over here, these mountains over there,
China.
that is China. So we're right at the border now. I stopped and we have arrived at Panorama. So it's the start of day 3 here. We're just about to leave our hotel lobby and we're going to go to a waterfall today and a few other bits. Tour on a minibus. Let's do it. A lot of landslides along the way, in fairness now. Actually, way more than I thought there would be, but like when you look at the landscape, it doesn't surprise me, to be honest. It's our last day on the loop. We're going to go to a waterfall first and then make our way back to where we started on the loop. I am very tired. It's been 3 heavy nights in a row. No karaoke last night though. that was the end of the Ha Giang loop there. Jesus Christ, my bum is so sore from that last bit. But we're finished now. That's literally one of the best experiences of my life.
Me too.
Like honestly, the views, the landscapes, like the whole thing was just spectacular. Like absolutely unbelievable. So yeah, we're done.